Hi friends, I am sharing with you 10 easy and healthy appetizers to serve at your holiday gatherings. It is such a wonderful time of year to get together with friends and family and eat some good food. But if you want to start that gathering off healthy and light, I've made 10 appetizers for you that are just delicious and will keep it a little healthy. So I'm going to share with you these awesome 10 appetizers. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. All my recipes are super easy and healthy as well. So let me share with you 10 really awesome holiday appetizers that are healthy. One of my favorite healthy appetizers is caprese, and I have these little mozzarella balls. They come already balled up, and some tomatoes and some basil, some balsamic. Really nice and light and healthy and super easy, and definitely festive for the holidays. You've got the red, the white, and the green, just anything with red and green, always festive for the holiday season. And like I said, these just don't get any easier. Just add each ingredient onto a toothpick. They're super cute, really like grab and go. I love toothpick appetizers because you really don't need like a little appetizer plate. You can kind of grab and go with these, and they're just really delicious and so nice and healthy as well. So anything that's a little healthier for appetizers before you have a big meal is always great. So I'm going to add, now that I have all of these done, I'm going to add on my balsamic glaze. And I just get this balsamic glaze at Walmart, but you can make your own as well. But it just gives it a really awesome taste. These are ready to go, and they cannot be easier, honestly. This shrimp appetizer recipe is one of my go-tos. It is a huge crowd pleaser. I make this really all year round, but it is just great for the holidays because it is nice and light, and you can definitely have a few of these and not fill up too much if you're having another big meal later in the evening. So I have my shrimp, it is defrosted, and I'm adding in my seasonings, some paprika, some cayenne, some garlic powder and onion powder, and I'm going to cook these on the stove. And shrimp cooks so quick. I just love how quick and easy it is. Super healthy, nice and high in protein. Just shrimp is one of my favorites when you're trying to have something a little extra healthy. So just love how quick they cook. I cook them with the tails on and then remove the tail before serving. But they only take about 4 minutes per side. I will flip them over, cook them all the way through on the other side as well. So now I'm going to make an avocado guacamole mixture. So I have 2 avocados. I have a tablespoon of lime juice. I have some salt. You can do your salt to taste. And I'm just going to mash this up just with my fork. You can use like a potato masher if you'd like. I'm just going to mix it up. And now I have my cucumber. I am slicing up the cucumber, and this is going to be the base of my shrimp appetizer. So I have the cucumber, I have the guacamole mixture, and you can just do just avocado and some seasonings if you'd like, or you can add in some onion, some salsa I like to add in as well. But this is just really easy and super quick and healthy as well. So now I'm going to add on top my shrimp, and these are just so great little bite-size appetizers. I just love appetizers because they're small and bite-sized. So you can have one and try the next one, or you can find an appetizer that you like and have a few of them, but they're still small, so you're still good. I'm going to make some deviled eggs, another really healthy, high-protein, awesome appetizer. They're super easy as well. So I am hard boiling my eggs, and now I'm going to put them into an ice bath to cool them down, and it really just helps that peel come off the shell. Comes off super easily. I just put in the ice bath for 10 minutes, and then they are ready to go. So now that they are all peeled, I'm going to cut them in half, just nice and carefully. And they all look great. They came out perfect. And so I'm just cutting around the yolk. I have my little egg plate, my little deviled egg platter, but I'm going to save the yolk of each of these, and I'm going to add it into, I have a bowl of mayonnaise right now. And so that's going to be my mixture that's going to go back into these eggs. But so now that all the eggs are all opened up, I have all the yolks. I'm going to add in some Dijon mustard into my mayonnaise and yolk mixture. I'm going to add in some salt and pepper to taste. So you can do as much or as little as you'd like. I don't overdo it with salt and pepper because I'm not a huge fan of salt. So I like to be able to add salt at the end on most of my ingredients. But I'm going to add this mixture into the eggs, and you can also put this into a bag and kind of pipe it in. Makes it easier as well. Or you can just dollop it into the center of each one of these eggs. So like I said, super healthy recipe, high in protein, and just really good crowd pleaser. I'm going to top these with a little bit of paprika. I love paprika, and they make these look really great. Just a little garnish of the paprika, and these are ready to go. So a huge, huge hit with the deviled eggs and super nice and healthy. I have some mushrooms, and I have some jalapeno artichoke dip. I love stuffed mushrooms. They are really one of my favorites. So I've cleaned and taken the stems off of my mushrooms, and now I'm going to add in the dip mixture, and you can make your own dip if you would like, and that would definitely make it even more healthier. But I'm just adding the dip into the center of all of these. I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees right now, and I'm going to bake these in the oven for about 20 minutes, and they will be amazing. Another grab and go. So these Phyllo shells have been one of my kind of go-tos lately, and they're so fun and easy. I have some ricotta that I'm going to put in this one, and I'm going to also add in some cherry tomato and some dried basil and some balsamic. So it's going to be a sort of a caprese version, but these Phyllo cups, they are so light and airy and definitely healthy and really easy. You can add so many different things into these Phyllo cups. You can even do desserts in them, which is really cool. So I always try and make sure I have some of these in the freezer for all kinds of different appetizers. So now I'm going to add on some dried basil, give it some color, and just a perfect holiday look with the red, white, and green. Going to add on my balsamic again, and this is just great, so delicious, super easy, and definitely healthy as well. So I have some smoked sausage, and it was pre-cooked, and then you just heat it when you're ready to eat or serve it. So I'm just cutting it into some smaller pieces, and I have some pineapple chunks. So this is a really awesome combination, this smoked sausage and pineapple chunks. I'm just going to put it on my toothpick. And like I mentioned at the beginning, I love toothpick appetizers. Just grab and go. You just load up that toothpick with your favorite appetizer ingredients, and it's just so great. So I'm going to make a sauce to drizzle over this. So I have honey, I have balsamic, I have sesame oil. I'm going to mix this together and drizzle it over the pineapple and sausage. And it's just a really, really good combo, really awesome grab and go, and super easy, nice and light and healthy. The pineapple gives it such a nice light flavor, a little sweetness, and I just love pineapple. It is just so refreshing. So like I said, the combination of the sausage, pineapple, and then this honey balsamic kind of glaze is just super good. So I'm going to give this glaze just a mix to mix everything together, and I will drizzle it on top. So you can also put a side of this, or you can put this in a bowl on the side as well if you'd like when you're serving it, so that people can dip some more in if they would like, or you could just glaze it on top just for looks. But definitely really awesome, nice and healthy, quick appetizer to put together. I'm going to do a Crockpot spinach dip, which I absolutely love making this Crockpot spinach dip. It is one of my go-tos again, and you can make this ahead of time, and you keep it warm in your crock pot, and it stays warm for your whole party, which is what I really love about my crock pot and using it for appetizers at functions, because you can add everything in, cook it, and then it stays warm, and everything is better when it is warm. So I love using my crock pot. So I have my frozen spinach, I have my brick of cream cheese, I have 1 cup of mozzarella, and I have some Parmesan cheese as well. I'm gonna do a cup of Parmesan cheese. And I love this grated Parmesan, but you can do, or this is shredded, but you can do grated Parmesan as well if you would like either one, whichever you have handy. And I'm using some plain Greek yogurt. You can substitute this for sour cream if you'd like, but to make this a little bit healthier, because we're doing some healthy appetizers today, I am using the Greek yogurt. I have minced garlic, a tablespoon, and I have artichoke hearts. So I've drained these artichoke hearts, and I'm going to dice them up into some smaller pieces, chop them up so that it's easier to eat. So you can serve this with chips if you like, but if you're trying to have some healthy options, I love serving this with veggie sticks. So you can do carrot sticks, celery sticks. Bell peppers are really great. I love for dips to use bell pepper as kind of the chip, or you can do chips, of course. This is really great with sourdough bread as well. So I'm going to do another toothpick appetizer because they are just my favorites. And this is going to be a beet appetizer. And I have beets, walnuts, I have feta cheese, and arugula, and these are just really, really great. These toothpick appetizers are so fun to make, and they just look so great on the plate as well. So you just add all of these things onto the toothpick, and like I mentioned before, they're just a really great grab and go. So you can just grab one of these and kind of pop it in your mouth. So the best part about appetizers is they're just quick, bite-sized little pieces. So you can definitely try a bunch of appetizers. I love doing a huge appetizer spread and doing all kinds of different options for people to choose from. So this one is really great. I love beets. I buy these beets, they're already pre-cooked and they're really easy. I think that beets, when you have to cook them and everything, that definitely makes it a little bit more difficult. And you know how much I love easy recipes. If you've been around my channel, you know I love easy cooking. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe if you want some easy recipes and healthy recipes as well. I love doing healthy appetizers, and I love doing healthy crockpot recipes also. So make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. But this one is just so great with the beets, and just definitely a huge, huge hit. The feta also tastes just amazing with this. I'm going to use my same balsamic. Like I said, I just love this stuff. I got it at Walmart and I use it for a ton of different things. But I'm adding on that balsamic and it just looks so great and festive on the plate. Kind of anything with the green and white and just kind of festive for the holidays. So this one's definitely going to be really festive. I'm going to make some cheese and crackers, some cheese and salami and caprese. I'm going to make them look like candy canes, and this is always a huge hit. And you can also add some crackers to this if you'd like, some Ritz crackers usually, because they're circle to go with this cheese and salami. But it does not get any easier than this. You just make that cheese into a circle with your circle cookie cutter. I used Havarti cheese, but any white cheese. And now I have my mozzarella and my sliced tomato. I'm going to make another candy cane with these. So this is just so festive and super healthy. I love anything caprese version. So this is just easy, healthy, and so festive. I love making this for parties. I'm adding on my balsamic glaze once again. And then you can add some crackers on the side. You can add some little decorations as well if you'd like, but definitely so fun. I love making this for Christmas. So I'm going to do another final toothpick appetizer. I have some cheese and salami and pepperoni. I have some pickles and olives. So kind of a charcuterie type toothpick, if you will. So I have some Monterey Jack cheese and some pepperoni. I'm going to kind of fold the pepperoni up a little bit when I put it onto this toothpick, and it's just a really great combination. I have some olives on this one, and you can just grab these and pop it in. So I love doing low carb as well as healthy. So this one is definitely nice and low carb, for if you're doing any kind of low carb diet or want to keep things light and low carb. So this is just great. So I'm going to do another version with some cheddar cheese and some salami and a pickle as well. So you can really mix and match these combinations onto the toothpick and add in your favorite ingredients. My kids are really big pepperoni fans and really big salami fans and pickles as well. So I love making something that is kid-friendly for appetizers because usually the kids are more hungry for appetizer hour than the adults. So I always like to have something that is a little bit kid-friendly as well so those kids get a snack before dinner. So this is just really, really easy. Add it all onto the toothpick and you are ready to go. I hope you enjoyed these healthy appetizers and I hope you subscribe to my channel if you're new and leave me a comment. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.